They're illegal. They can get you fined, impounded, or even arrested. But thousands of Americans still use these motorcycle mods every single day. Some riders don't care about the law. Some don't even realize what they're doing is illegal. And some believe these mods actually make riding safer. So today, we're exposing the illegal motorcycle modifications Americans still use, why they're banned, and why they're still everywhere on U.S. roads. Let's start with one of the most common illegal mods in America: loud exhaust systems. We're talking about straight pipes, deleted mufflers, and aftermarket exhausts that completely ignore noise limits. Most U.S. states have strict decibel laws, especially in cities like California and New York. But riders still remove baffles because loud pipes feel powerful, aggressive, and attention-grabbing. Many bikers believe loud exhausts make drivers notice them more, reducing accidents. The problem? Studies show noise doesn't always translate to safety, and cops hear you long before drivers do. That's why loud exhaust tickets are one of the most common motorcycle fines in the U.S. Next comes illegal lighting mods. Underbody LED lights, flashing strobes, and colored headlights are extremely popular, especially in night rides and bike meets. But red and blue lights are reserved strictly for emergency vehicles in almost every state. Even green, purple, or flashing white lights can be illegal depending on the state. Yet riders still install them because they look futuristic, cinematic, and Instagram-worthy. The risk? Police can pull you over instantly, and some states consider it impersonating emergency services. Now let's talk about something smaller, but surprisingly serious: license plate modifications. Plate flippers, hidden plates, tinted covers, and angled mounts are everywhere. Some riders use them to avoid toll cameras. Others want a clean look for their bike. But altering or obscuring a license plate is illegal in most U.S. states. If caught, it's not just a ticket. It can turn into a misdemeanor charge. Despite that, plate hiders are still one of the best-selling motorcycle mods in America. Here's another illegal mod many riders ignore completely: mirror removal. Minimalist builds and cafe racers often remove side mirrors to look cleaner and lighter. But in most states, at least one, and sometimes two, functional mirrors are legally required. Riders argue they check over their shoulder anyway. Law enforcement doesn't agree. No mirrors equals reduced visibility, higher crash risk, and an easy reason for police to stop you. Now let's move to performance mods that cross legal lines. ECU tuning and emission deletes. Removing catalytic converters, disabling oxygen sensors, and reflashing ECUs for extra power is extremely common. But it's also federally illegal under EPA regulations. These mods increase emissions, noise, and pollution. That's why states like California actively crack down on them. Yet riders still do it because the bike feels faster, more aggressive, and more alive. The trade-off? Failed inspections, heavy fines, and sometimes permanent registration issues. Another one that surprises new riders: tires not approved for road use. Some riders install track-only tires or ultra-thin stretch tires for style. These tires may look cool, but they're not designed for public roads, rain, or uneven surfaces. In many states, this makes the bike technically illegal to ride. Police can cite you instantly if the tire markings don't meet DOT standards. And finally, one of the most dangerous illegal mods: handlebar height violations. Ape hangers look iconic, but many states limit how high your handlebars can be above your shoulders. Exceeding that limit affects control, braking, and rider safety. Still, riders keep pushing the limits because of style, comfort, and biker culture. So why do Americans still use illegal motorcycle mods? Because enforcement varies by state. Because social media normalizes them. Because bike culture often values freedom over regulation. And because many riders believe the benefits outweigh the risks. But the truth is simple. What looks cool online can cost you money, your bike, or your license in real life. If you ride in the U.S., always check your local laws, because the mod you love might be the reason you get pulled over next. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and comment which motorcycle mod you think should be legal or banned forever.